Welcome to our channel. Today we how to uninstall MySQL Server and delete databases, detailed guide step by step clearly. To uninstall MySQL Server, first, open the control panel on your computer. Navigate to the Programs and Features section. Locate MySQL Server in the list of installed programs. Select MySQL Server and click on the Uninstall button. Follow the prompts in the uninstallation wizard to remove MySQL Server from your system. Next, you will want to delete any databases associated with your MySQL Server installation. To do this, first, open the File Explorer on your computer. Navigate to the directory where MySQL was installed. By default, this is usually in C:\program files/MySQL/ or C:\program data/My. Locate the data directory within the MySQL folder. This directory contains all your databases. Delete the entire data directory to remove the databases completely. If you want to ensure everything is cleaned up, check for any remaining MySQL configuration files. You can find these files in the MySQL installation directory and in your user directory. Look for files such as my.ini or my.cnf. Delete these files if you no longer want any trace of MySQL on your system. Finally, consider restarting your computer to complete the process. This will help clear any cached files related to MySQL. You have now successfully uninstalled MySQL Server and deleted all associated databases. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.